Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for May. This month's theme is Wild Beauty, and the bag features a beautiful purple floral design. First, let's open the Glam Bag. Inside, we have the Ouai Body Cleanser, First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream, Complex Culture Fresh Start Eyeshadow Palette, Eyeko Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner, and the Beauty for Real Lip Liner in Neutral. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, Pear Nova Hydrating Cream, Rodial Beauty Soft Focus Glow Drops, Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Primer, and the Formula Z Transforming Beauty Cheek Palette. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I actually already received the Kate Somerville Cleanser in a BoxyCharm last year, so I'll be skipping over this one and first trying out the First Aid Beauty Eye Cream. I like their hydrating eye cream, so I expect that I'll like this one too. Ooh, it's quite glowy. After that, I'm trying out the Pear Nova Hydrating Cream. This actually doesn't say whether it's to be used on the hand, body, or face, so good thing I looked it up on the Ipsy website because it is in fact a hand cream. Now we have two primers to test out. The first one is a face primer. The Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops are supposed to brighten the complexion and give a soft focus glow to the skin. I'm really glad we received a full-sized version of this because I love the glowy effect it gives. The second one is an eye primer. The Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Primer claims to make eyeshadow last longer and appear more pigmented. It says to apply a small amount using your fingers, so that's what I'm doing. It has a little bit of pigment to it. It's not sticky at all either. Now let's take a look at the Complex Culture Fresh Start Eyeshadow Palette. This is a deluxe sample palette with just 4 small pans. Let's swatch it. It's definitely nice for on the go. First, I'm picking up the matte brown shade. I'm applying this to my outer V and sweeping it out towards my temples. It's taking a while to get a good color payoff. Next, I'm grabbing the taupe shade. I'm sweeping this along the upper edge of what I just applied. It's looking a bit patchy and dry, unfortunately. After that, I'm using my finger to grab the shimmery gold shade. I'm applying this to my lid. I'm not loving it. For eyeliner, I'm using the Eyeko Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner. This is a brown eyeliner with a calligraphy-inspired brush tip. I'm using this to create a wing. It's actually pretty easy to work with. Now let's test out the Formula Z Transforming Beauty Palette. This is a blush and highlighter palette. Let's swatch it. Now that we've swatched it, let's try it out on the face. First, I'm picking up the Pearlescent Muted Rose Blush called Extra Fierce. I'm applying this to the top of my cheekbones. After that, I'm dipping into the sparkling light gold highlighter called Mega Yacht. I'm applying this to the highest points of my face. It's gold without being too gold and dark, so I like it. Finally, I'm applying the Beauty for Real Lip Liner in the shade Neutral. This is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and water-resistant. It's easy to apply and is just a great versatile lip product. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for May. I think that we received a really nice variety of products this month. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.